let's discuss about another creational pattern called Abstract Factory Pattern. The Abstract Factory Pattern is a creational design pattern which provides an interface for creating families of related or dependent objects without specifying their concrete classes. This pattern belongs to the Creational Design Patterns category, as it deals with object creation mechanisms. There are several reasons to use the Abstract Factory Pattern. Firstly, it promotes loose coupling between the client code and the concrete implementations of objects. The client code interacts only with the abstract factory and its product interfaces, making it easier to maintain and change the implementation without affecting the client code. Secondly, this pattern allows for the creation of families of related objects, ensuring that the objects created by a factory are compatible and work together seamlessly. Let's understand with an example. This code is divided into 5 steps. Step 1. We start by defining an abstract class called ToDo. This class serves as a blueprint, setting the stage for all our to-do items. It declares 2 essential methods, getTitle and getDescription, which all concrete to-do items must implement. Step 2. Now, let's dive into the concrete implementations of our to-do items. We have Simple To-Do and Advanced To-Do. Simple To-Do requires only a title, but for Advanced To-Do, we provide both a title and a description. Each of these classes supplies their own implementations of getTitle and getDescription. In Simple To-Do, we even allow for an optional description, demonstrating flexibility in our design. Step 3. We introduce the concept of an abstract factory interface called To-Do Factory. This interface defines a common method named createToDo. It takes a title and an optional description and serves as our bridge to create different types of to-do items. Step 4. Now, we bring our factories to life. We have the Simple To-Do Factory and the Advanced To-Do Factory. These concrete factories implement the To-Do Factory interface, giving them the ability to produce the corresponding types of to-do items. Notice how the Simple To-Do Factory is flexible, accepting an optional description parameter, ensuring that we can create simple or advanced to-do items seamlessly. Step 5. Finally, we reach the usage section. Here, we've crafted a function named createAndDisplayToDo. It abstracts the process of creating and displaying our to-do items. We simply provide the factory we want to use, the title, and an optional description. We create 2 factories, Simple Factory and Advanced Factory, and use them to create and display to-do items. This demonstrates the power of the abstract factory pattern in managing complex object creation, keeping our code clean, and allowing for easy expansion in the future. In conclusion, the abstract factory pattern empowers us to build related objects with ease, all while adhering to a common interface. It's a key player in keeping our code organized, maintainable, and adaptable to evolving requirements in our ever-changing software world.